I'm Mark, and today I'm pouring concrete for a client, and you can't get the concrete truck in his backyard. And I made this carrier, a long time ago, 15, 20 years. You back the concrete truck up to it, fill it up to about here, and then back it up to the job. Simply open the door, out comes the concrete. We did his driveway somewhere around 15 to 20 years ago. We had to make it V-shaped to get the water to drain out of his backyard because we had so much rain here. And you can see what we're pouring there in the back. That's 2 foot by 2 foot. Square with a load about 1/4 of a yard. It'll pick up about 1,200 pounds. That's about all the tractor can pick up. This hooks to the 3-point hitch. It's pretty simple. And I got a slanted bottom, so when you open the trap door, 95% of it comes out anyway. Well, that's the finished or almost finished product. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.